Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I got an 18 by 24 canvas here on my spinner, and I've just covered it with acrylic white and a little bit of the pearlescence pouring medium by Sargent, just to give it a little bit of sparkle to it. And I want to play with a little bit of my chains, maybe my blow dryer, we're not sure. We're not sure what we're doing, you just kind of got to wing it. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys. All of your wonderful comments and thumbs up. They really do make my day, so keep them coming. I appreciate you guys all very much for watching my videos. It means the world to me. Okay, Greg's going to hit some music, and let's have some fun. I'm going to have fun with my boom gels again. I haven't done them with my chains, so I want to see how they react. All right. Hit the music, hon. Let's have some fun.
This February came, don't want to throw it all away. As shattered moments fall in vain, you pick the pieces up and say, well, I guess that's what it's worth. Like a diamond with a curse. If I told you how I feel, would you be here still? This February comes and goes. It's just like what I told you so. At glance you failed to turn away and found a reason for this pain. Well, I guess that's what it's worth. Like a diamond with a curse. If I told you how I feel, if I told you how I feel, would you be here still? Would you be here still? This February bit the dust, just like the one that gave you up. He stole the best you had to give and left you with a broken heart. Well, I guess that's what it's worth. Like a diamond with a curse. If I told you how I feel, if I told you how I feel, would you be here still? I told you how I feel.
And just a kid growing up in a small town, all I ever really needed was my crew around. And sweatpants, no fear on the t-shirt. Basic kids, but we always had a chauffeur. I found my ride or die for life, but it wasn't in a woman. Love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends into the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on, 'cause I've got you, baby. Yeah, I got you, baby. At 19 with a dream and a paycheck, a white V-ripped knee chain around my neck. And honestly, that's when I noticed things were changing. Lost myself in approval on the stages. I needed something that was real, and I found it in a woman. Love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends into the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on, 'cause I've got you, baby. Yeah, I've got you, baby. Said I've got you, baby. Yeah, I've got you, baby. Sometimes I wonder, if I had chose the other, would I feel this way? Would I be chasing fame? I could never go back, 'cause I feel like I found my weight in gold. Love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends into the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on. And love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends into the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on, 'cause I've got you, baby. I got you, baby. I said I've got you, baby. I got you, I got you. Yeah, I've got you, baby. I got you, baby. I said I've got you, baby. I got you, I got you.
Hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. It's been a minute since I found someone who makes me wanna know a thing about love. But oh my God, I'm seeing stars with you. Tend to keep myself from diving in. I got fed up with the sink or swim. But oh my God, I'm falling hard for you. I keep on waiting for the hurricane to come and wash the magic that you brought away. But somehow all the colors just keep getting brighter. Yeah, I'm feeling it more every day. I think I'm hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck. with you. Where did this come from? Lightning in my lungs, oh my God, don't you ever stop. I keep on waiting for the hurricane to come and wash the magic that you brought away. But somehow all the colors just keep getting brighter. Yeah, I'm feeling it more every day. I think I'm hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck.
Make me work, make me sweat inside, make me feel like I'm alive. Take this hurt, lady, throw it in my face. Don't let these bones slow you down. 'Cause I'm coming on strong. The grass should've looked greener. I need a true believer in disguise. If I'm loving you wrong, short-changing and receiving, girl, you best believe me behind. 'Cause I'm over easy tonight. State the truth, spit it out, I'm waiting. Don't leave me contemplating my own life. Save the bullshit for another man or lover. Don't need a four-leaf clover to decide. 'Cause I'm coming on strong. The grass should've looked greener. I need a true believer in disguise. If I'm loving you wrong, short-changing and receiving, girl, you best believe me behind. 'Cause I'm over easy tonight. Oh, oh, hey. Oh, oh, hey. Oh, oh, hey. Yeah, 'cause I'm over easy tonight. Who wants a lady without the thrill of chasing, like taking cotton candy from a child? Too many answers when all we need is questions. You ain't giving this a chance to burn its light. 'Cause I'm coming up strong. The grass should've looked greener. I need a true believer in disguise. If I'm loving you wrong, short-changing and receiving,